What if becoming financially smarter isn't about a degree? What if it starts with a few simple principles? Financial intelligence is knowing how money works. It's about thoughtful decisions, managing risk, and continuous learning. First, understand where your money goes. Financial awareness is critical. Track your income, expenses, and spending habits. Avoid the hassle of budgeting. Imagine someone earning well, yet unsure where their money disappears. Next, learn the difference between income, wealth, and cash flow. A high income doesn't mean wealth. Understand what comes in, what goes out, and how assets relate to liabilities. Keep it simple and relatable. Then, stop making decisions based only on appearances. Social media often pressures spending to look successful. Ask yourself, would you rather appear wealthy today or secure your future? Also, understand the power and danger of debt. Knowing how debt works is vital. Understand interest, obligations, and consider risks before borrowing. Debt isn't always bad. Use it responsibly based on your situation. Next, make time your financial advantage. Long-term thinking rewards consistency. Understand compound growth, your money growing over time. Starting early and being patient yields powerful benefits. Learn before you invest. Research before committing money to any investment. Understand risks, fees, and diversification instead of blindly following trends. Remember, popular doesn't always mean safe. Protect yourself from financial scams. Look for warning signs like too good to be true promises. Slow down and verify information. Seek qualified advice when needed. Build skills that increase your earning potential. Invest in your learning and adaptability. Education can open doors, even if it doesn't guarantee a high income. Think in terms of opportunity cost. Every financial decision comes with alternatives. What are you giving up by choosing this? Reflect on your choices carefully. Don't let lifestyle inflation control you. Higher income shouldn't mean automatic higher spending. Balance enjoying life with saving, investing, and future goals. Understand how businesses and markets earn money. Ask where the money comes from. Explore businesses through products, services, and commissions. Build an emergency mindset. Prepare for unexpected expenses. A financial cushion can help you stay flexible and reduce rushed decisions. Control your emotions around money. Fear and greed can cloud judgment. Create rules before making big financial choices. Emotional discipline pays off. Ask better financial questions. Financially smart people inquire. Questions like, how does this earn money? What could go wrong? Focus on useful inquiries for better outcomes. Make financial learning a lifelong habit. Stay curious in a changing world. Economies evolve, and so should you. We shared lots of ideas today. Financial intelligence involves understanding the consequences of your choices. Make decisions today that pay off tomorrow. Start small. Track spending or review a financial decision. What important lesson have you learned about finances? Share in the comments. Like, subscribe, and join Finance Flow for more educational content on money and financial success. What if I told you that your journey to financial intelligence begins with just a few principles? Picture yourself not merely surviving paycheck to paycheck but actually thriving as you take charge of your financial decisions. Understanding where your money goes lays the foundation for all subsequent actions. Have you ever felt that rush of anxiety when checking your bank balance after a weekend out? By tracking your income and expenses, you can erase that uncertainty. You will find the clarity needed to see where adjustments are necessary, turning ambiguity into confidence. Next, grasp the distinction between income, wealth, and cash flow, as it's essential for your financial journey. A high income might seem impressive, but it does not necessarily equate to real wealth. Consider this. Understanding what comes into your bank account each month versus what leaves can help you reframe your financial perspective. Visualize your cash flow as a living organism, one that requires careful nurturing, and avoid the common pitfall of chasing after superficial success. By monitoring both income and expenses meticulously, you can empower yourself to build genuine wealth over time. Wealth that has the potential to sustain you even when your income fluctuates. Consider, too, the influence of social media on your spending habits. In a world where appearances often take precedence, it's easy to fall into the trap of wanting to look prosperous rather than genuinely being secure. Take a moment to reflect. Would you rather share the glitzy facade of wealth online or build a foundation that supports your future ambitions? This mindset shift can enhance your financial intelligence significantly. Embrace choices that prioritize long-term security over short-term validation, as this focus will help transform the way you engage with money and wealth. Contemplating debt is equally essential. Recognizing the nuances of borrowing, such as interest rates and repayment obligations, can safeguard you from potential pitfalls. Not all debt carries the same weight. Understand when to leverage it for growth while keeping a watchful eye on the risks involved. Imagine having the ability to use debt to invest in opportunities that could enhance your financial situation, rather than feeling burdened by it. This approach can empower you to navigate your finances more strategically, turning what many view as a necessary evil into a tool for advancement. After all, it's not just about avoiding debt, but mastering its use. Next, consider how time can be your ally in wealth accumulation. Think of compound growth as the snowball effect, where your initial savings gain momentum over time. Are you prioritizing quick gains over long-term results? By adopting a patient outlook, you harness the potential of consistent investments that flourish in the future. Imagine the difference starting early could make. Your financial journey could look entirely different if you commit to this mindset. Early investments compound, allowing time to work in your favor, and eventually leading to substantial rewards. Have you taken the time to research before diving into investments? This crucial step can prevent you from making impulsive choices based on fleeting trends. Arm yourself with knowledge about risks, associated fees, and the importance of diversification. Instead of simply mimicking popular investment moves, delve into understanding how each option aligns with your financial goals. This proactive approach will not only safeguard your capital but also enhance your financial literacy. A well-informed investor is more likely to navigate market fluctuations with confidence, discovering opportunities even in uncertain times. Every decision in investing calls for diligence and consideration. Equipping yourself to spot financial scams is crucial for maintaining your hard-earned wealth. Be on alert for red flags, such as unrealistic promises or pressure tactics urging immediate investment. Always take a moment to scrutinize offers and confirm their legitimacy before proceeding. In a world where financial literacy is imperative, remember that becoming financially smart doesn't require formal education but rather a commitment to understanding and learning. Your choices today create the financial landscape of tomorrow, so take deliberate steps towards a secure future. Embrace financial intelligence and thrive.